I can't do this today. I just can't.
Come. One step is enough.
I used to see exercise as a punishment for what I ate. I used to see exercise as a punishment for what I ate. Now, I see it as a celebration of the life he put inside me. When my strength runs out, his encouragement kicks in. He cares about my spirit, but he's also fond of the temple I live in. Taking care of myself is just another way of saying thank you to him.